Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Suci Ramadhani, NPM 254111116, kelas manajemen 25B. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang demand, supply, and elasticitas. Demand. Definition of demand. Demand is the quantity of goods or service that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various price levels within a specific time period. Law of demand. The law of demand stands at if the price the quantity demand falls. If the price falls, the quantity demand is ready assuming other factors remain constant. Ceteris paribus. Factor influencing demand: price of the coin itself, consumer icon, taste or preferences, population disease, price of substituent and complementary goods, future expectation. Demand curve: the demand curve slopes downward from top left to bottom bracket. So an inverse relationship between price and quantity of goods. Supply. Definition of supply. Supply is the quantity of goods or service the producers are willing and able to sell at various price levels within a specific time period. Law of supply. The law of supply states at if the price plays the quantity supplied increases. If the price falls, the quantity supplied decreases, assuming other factors remain constant. Factor influencing supply: price of goods, production costs, technology, number of producers, taxes, and subsidies, company objective. Supply curve. The supply curve slopes upward from the bottom left to the top bracket, so a direct relationship between price and quantity of goods. Elasticity. Definition of elasticity. Elasticity is the level of sensitivity of demand or supply to change in certain factor, especially price. Understanding elasticity of demand. The elasticity of demand indicates how much the quantity demand changes due to a change in price. Types of demand elasticity. Elasticity demand: small price change, large quantity change. Example: clothing, electronics. 2. Inelastic demand: large price change, small quantity change. Example: textile. 3. Unitary elastic demand: price change is proportional to quantity change. 4. Perfectly elastic demand: price remains constant, quantity changes significant. Perfectly inelastic demand: quantity remains constant despite price changes. Example: life-threatening medication. Elasticity of supply. Definition of elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply indicates the sensitivity of the quantity of goods supplied to change in price. Factor affecting supply elasticity: production time, production capacity, availability of raw materials, AC of interesting production. Market equilibrium. Market equilibrium occurs when quantity demand quantity supply. The result price is the equilibrium price, and the quantity of goods is the equilibrium quantity. Gentlemen, supply and demand determine the price and quantity of goods in the market. Elasticity is asked to measure how sensitive changes in the quantity of goods are to changes in price. This change is important in economic analysis and policy making. Thank you.